one of you guys is going to win one of these. And I've got a nice little reward for everybody watching this video, so stay tuned until the end. What is going on, my friends? Hank here from Spruce and Brew Scale Modeling with a really cool special offer for you guys today. If you've been a fan of the channel for a while, you know I've been working on upgrading my studio space here so I can bring you guys bigger and better scale modeling videos each and every week. And one of the most, if not the most important part of any scale modeling studio is your actual work surface. Now, I've been using my trusty old Alvin self-healing cutting mat for years, and it's served me really well. As you can see, this is pretty well loved, but it was time for an upgrade. And the no-brainer choice for me was a new cutting mat from TANKRAFT. If you're on scale modeling social media, on Facebook or on Instagram at all, you've probably seen some of these wicked nice vehicle cutting mats on some folks' benches and thought, damn, those look pretty great. And that is exactly what I'd been doing myself for a really long time. The good folks over at TANKRAFT sent me some of their beautiful mats to test out and share with you guys, and I've got to say, these are just as nice in person as they look online. I only wish I'd grabbed one earlier. So if you don't know, TANKRAFT is an American company located in Florida, and among other scale modeling supplies, they make what I've got to say are probably the nicest looking modeling mats out there right now. These are 3-ply self-healing laminated PVC mats, and they come in 2 sizes. This big boy right here that I was showing you before is the 18x24 version, which is my go-to for about 95% of my modeling work. And they also offer each of their mats in a smaller 12x18 version, like you see here, if you have a smaller workspace, which is a great option for builders on the go or folks that don't necessarily have a designated permanent workspace. The quality of these mats is fantastic. They work just as well as any of the other professional cutting mats I've used in the past, but the real thing that sets these apart, of course, is the graphic here. At the time of recording, you can get these mats featuring 12 different iconic military vehicles. They've got the Tiger 1, Tiger 2, Panther, Sherman, like you just saw, and T-34 for those folks that love their tanks. And they've got the P-51 Mustang, like you see here, the P-47 Thunderbolt, and the Spitfire for aviation fans out there. In addition, TANKRAFT just added 3 new versions to their assortment, including the Stug 3, the BF-109 that you see right here, and the M1A2 Abrams for those folks that are into the modern equipment. The way I see it, if you're going to be spending all that time at the bench working on your models, you ought to enjoy your space. So why not spice it up with a high quality cutting mat? I love this thing. You guys know I'm a BF-109 junkie, and this is just gorgeous. Now, I teased a giveaway at the beginning of this video. One lucky modeler out there is going to take home his or her very own brand new 18x24 BF-109 cutting mat, courtesy of the good folks over at TANKRAFT. This one is my favorite from the batch, no surprises there. And it's the only one that comes with double-sided print. Whew, check out that beautiful electric blue. Entering the giveaway is really simple. You've only got to do 2 quick little things. Number 1, subscribe right here to Spruce and Brew Scale Modeling. It's a win-win. It's the biggest thing that you can do to help me grow the channel and keep bringing you guys high-quality content. And you'll be the first to know about new scale modeling videos each and every week. And number 2, comment below with your favorite vehicle of World War II. Simple as that. And that's it. Do those 2 things and you'll be entered to win. I'll pick a winner at random on April 1st, and then I'll reach out letting you know if you won. But if you really can't wait until then and you want to add one of these mats to your bench right now, and I couldn't really blame you, you can hop over to tankkraft.com and use promo code SpruceandBrews15 at checkout to receive 15% off your order total. So even if you don't win a free mat, we've got a little something for everybody. All right, what are you waiting for? Enter the contest and take one of these home for yourself. After that, you can check out some of my favorite BF-109 build videos right here and right here. Another big thanks to the good folks at TANKRAFT for these samples to review for you guys. And until next time, be well, happy building, and good luck in the contest.